I don't think it's something which is really, really planned and determined by your own thoughts. It's destiny which takes you, in whatever direction you want to go. He said today you are a job seeker as an army officer.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you'll be a job provider. One, I feel that we needed to give the best to the child.
Yeah.
That was our philosophy. Whatsoever we get, we give it back. It is destiny of people who join. I visited hundreds of schools in India and abroad. Visited schools in about 40 countries. I used to keep getting ideas from different places and incorporate them there. We've always had a policy of taking criticism positive. So you need to recognize your own greatness, your strength and your greatness. Your strength and your greatness.
Pine Grove is a legacy school of the modern era.